Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be installing the 12 volt DC power outlet and the USB to my 2023 Ninja 650. So let's go. Alright, so I ordered this part number 9994-1373. Now I got this, which is 13151-0579. Now it looks like it's a legit Kawasaki part, and it looks exactly the same as the other one. But when I look up this part number, it comes out as like over $100. But if you search this part number, it's only $54. So I think it should work, but when you purchase it, look for this part number, and it's about $54. So I think it's worth it if you do your own install, versus this is the aftermarket one that I ordered previously. I got it today too, but this comes with bullet connections, like 2 bullet connections. And for the 2020 and above Ninja 650s, I don't think they come with bullet connections. That's why you don't see a lot of videos or any like useful information online. This should be plug and play, and hopefully it is. And I also got a USB adapter from Amazon for only like, I think it was $14. So basically what you would do is, this is the cigarette lighter DC, and you would just insert this in here, right? And then there's a pull thing, you just pull it out. And then also it's got 2 connections. It's got a regular USB and it's got a USB-C on top. So all right, let's get it installed and hopefully it works. So I got the fairing off, and it was extremely simple to do. Now TSD Industries, they have a video for installing, like replacing this turn signal. But in the video, it tells you exactly how to take the fairing off. And I followed that to the T, and it was extremely simple. So I'm gonna link that video in the description. Just watch it a couple of times, watch it while you do it. Just take your time, and it's extremely easy. It took me less than 10 minutes to get this off, even less than like maybe 5 minutes. It was extremely easy. The only thing is you don't even have to take this, this is the connection to the turn signal. You don't even have to take this off. You just gotta take this out of this cable tie. I don't know what you call it, but anyway, so you don't have to take it off. And then I just rest it up here while I'm working. And this is the connection. So it's basically, this is where the hole is. It's right here. And this is a dummy plug. And all you do is, there's a tab in here. So you put a flathead, move it towards you, so move it out, and this pops out very easily. Now I'm gonna connect. I'm gonna connect my DC. All right, guys, it snaps in very easily. Now I'm just gonna test before I put this into the hole. I'm going to just test the power if it is working. So I've got like a DC, like a portable inflator. Just gonna connect it here. And then let's see if the power comes on. So I'll just turn the power. Yep, I got the power on. Great. So I got power. So that's the connection. Now all you need to take this out is move this tab up with the flathead and it should just come out. Now, when you take this block off plate off, so basically there's this thing right here and there's a screw here. What you can do is, if you have a long, like Phillips head, with the long Phillips head, like the tools that I have, right? I can't reach it. I can't reach it because I don't have the long Phillips head. But if you have a longer one, maybe double the length of this, you can get to it. It's like 2 turns, and then you can just open it up with your fingers. So since I didn't have a long Phillips head, what I did was I just took like this and I used my fingers and I got behind there. I turned it twice and I was able to undo it and undo this, and this popped out. And this screw, I dropped it somewhere, I don't know where. But anyway, that's really simple to do. So it's popped open. I tested the connection, it works. So I'm gonna now put it in the hole, and then see, and then arrange the wires and see what happens. Okay, if you look here, you see this notch. So I got a notch right here. Whoops, notch right there, and then this one has, this is the back part. So after I put this in, I'm gonna thread it through here and then just lock it up. So let me do that. All right, so I got it installed. Put it in here. Then the ring part, that was kinda, you gotta kinda work with it to get it in, then screw it in. But I put the, as you can see, it's coming out of here, and I put it underneath here like this, and then I connect it, and then this is like the perfect length. Maybe I'll zip tie right here. Yep, I'll zip tie maybe right here, and it shouldn't move anywhere. But actually it's like a perfect length, perfect fit. And let me just test it one more time. Okay. Yep, I got power. All right. And then let me see. I can put this USB. Focus. Yep, USB. Put it in here, like so. Right. And I got USB-C. Put this down. Yeah, so the only thing is it won't close with this in here. So if you want it closed, you just pull this out. There you go. And I can close this like that. So it will look just like that. Okay, so now I gotta put this fairing back on. The only thing is when you put it back on, just remember this wire has to go in this wire management thing. And the only difference with the TST Industries install video is that I guess they were using the 2020 model, and the 23 model, this is shorter. For their model, I think this is a little bit longer. but everything else seems to be the same. And they have, you know, sections of the video that shows taking off the fairing and putting it back on. So just watch the video. I'll put that video in the link, and just take your time. And yeah, I got power. So let me just do that and I'll get back to you. All right, I got everything installed. Everything's set up. Let me just turn it on. Yep, everything works. The lights on the left side, on the right side. We got the high beam that works. Brake lights, yep, brake lights work. All the lights and stuff work. Now, let's see if I get power here. Right. Yep. I get power here. Great. Now I can go wherever I want. I got my phone set up. I'm gonna route it probably underneath. Yeah, route it probably underneath to go there with my adapter. Yeah, everything's set up. Yeah, that's about it. So for those of you guys who've been searching all over Google and YouTube for getting this power set up, yeah, this is the way you do it. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Yeah, so with the price of this, the part that I bought being only $54, so 54 plus the adapter, which was like 10 to 15. So let's say that's 70, right? But if, let's say you get an aftermarket one for like $20, $30, but you got to splice the wires. So I don't know. I mean, I would think this is a better option. Just plug and play. Very easy. It's probably watertight. I mean, waterproof. I don't know about waterproof, but water resistant. And also I can use this as a DC power and the USB power. So one thing about this power outlet, whether you get an aftermarket or you get the standard one, the max wattage that you're gonna get out of this is 36 watts. So from my research, that accessories port that I connected this to is only 3 amps. And to get the wattage, you multiply it to the voltage, which is 12 volts, so that's 36 watts. So even if I have two ports here, 2 USB ports, and each of them are 36, the max that's gonna come out of here is 36. So when you search on Amazon, like they might have 90 watt or something other watt, you're only gonna get 36 watt out of this. Just remember that. So I'll link the USB adapter, and until I get another install, I think this is pretty much it for me initially on this bike.